Hi everyone, long time no see. I hope you are doing well, and I hope you had a great spring break. And as you know, everything is changed to remote instruction format now. So before I jump into the course materials, I'd like to go over the modified schedule with you week by week so that everyone is going to be on the same page. Okay, let me share the screen. Oops, there we go. By the way, I know you are learning a lot of different technology and the stuff to adjust yourself to this new format, but same to me. So I spend a lot of time to learn about Zoom and WebEx and video conferencing, how to use a document camera in my home office here. So hopefully um, it will be a pleasant experience for you as well. Okay, so you can see this modified schedule for your from your syllabus, which is our contract. All of us agreed at the beginning of the semester. And because of the coronavirus situation, we have one extended spring break. Due to that change, we have 1 week of extension for the semester. So I reflect those changes on this schedule, as you can see here. All right. So this coming week, we're gonna talk about. I'm gonna wrap up the chapter 12, which is a transverse shear. So we went through how to calculate the shear stress, and using the formula, we went through a couple example problems. I'm gonna start from there so that everyone can remind yourself about this topic, and I'm gonna wrap up this chapter 12 this coming week, and then chapter 13 about combined loadings. And most of the topics in chapter 13 is already covered in earlier, but I'm gonna go over the last piece of chapter 13 this coming week. And then in week 13, which is between April 6th through 10th, we have to have our second party, which was originally scheduled during your extended spring break, but I postponed to the week 13 so that you have enough time to prepare this exam. So first of all, I'm gonna post a review session, which is a separate video clip for you to cover the topics in chapter 10, 11, and 15. And by the way, this midterm 2 and the final exams are gonna be online test, and it is a synchronous, which means you have to take these 2 exams at a specific time window. So this midterm 2 is going to be available between 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. in this California, the PST, the Pacific time zone, on Wednesday, April 8th. And this 1:30 to 2:30 is our during our original course schedule. So I hope no one is going to be conflicting with any other thing. So that's our midterm schedule. And as I said, these are the only 2 synchronous the formats. So which means everything else, assignments and all the lectures and the course materials are going to be asynchronous. So I'm going to prepare the material in advance and post it on the Blackboard. So actually post those video clips on the YouTube, and I shared that YouTube link on the Blackboard. So you can directly go to the Blackboard, click the link, and it will automatically make it available for you on YouTube. So that's week 13. And by the way, the Friday is going to be the Good Friday. So I do not expect you to have any learning on that day. And oh, this is a typo. Sorry about this. I'm gonna change it on this PDF and upload it on the new one. But the April 13 Easter observance should be in week 14, which is between April 13th through 17th. So Monday is kind of off, and Wednesday, Friday, it's not going to be synchronous, but this week 14, I'm going to cover chapter 14, first part of chapter 14, stress transformation, and continue to talk about stress transformation in week 15 between April 20th through 24th. And our last chapter will be chapter 17, which is the buckling of columns. So we're going to wrap up all the contents by week 15. And week 16 is only for the review session and the final. So I will make a separate video clip for the review session for the final, which is comprehensive. So it's going to be probably longer than any other video clips maybe. And then our final exam is going to be, again, this is asynchronous, so you have to keep this specific time here. Friday, May 1st, between 12 to 2 p.m. PST. And this is, by the way, the university final schedule. So I don't believe you have any conflict with any other final schedule. So I'll make it available on Blackboard. So it's going to be online test. And you have 2 hours to finish this final. Okay, so that's what I have today. So, and then starting from tomorrow, I'm gonna upload course materials, started with this chapter 12. So we're gonna see each other through the video clips. So have a nice day and see you soon. Bye.